Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Reef. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Reef is moving inside a quite long-term and big down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and while moving inside that long-term down channel on a smaller time frame chart, on a daily time frame chart, it has formed a falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that once again it has reached the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, you can see that Reef is forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and right now it is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very big and huge down channel that Reef has formed on a weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for a GMX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Reef. And here on a daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, Reef is moving inside this quite long and big falling wedge pattern. And here we had a bounce, here we got rejection, then we got another rejection, bounce, rejection. And here we had another bounce, rejection, and now again it is moving at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, the price line is also forming this inverse head and shoulder pattern. That is another signal that soon we may see a breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, because this inverse head and shoulder pattern is a bullish bias pattern, and there are more chances that the price line may break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in case of breaking out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $2.0025. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then obviously it will also break out the bigger resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. And the technical target for that breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at half cents. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also break out the resistance of a bigger down channel on the 7 days time frame chart as well. And if the price then breaks out this bigger down channel, then technical target for this very massive breakout will be here at the top of this channel. That can be somewhere between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.